Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 10 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 10 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter area and parameter. The lessons we're going to cover today are parameter, area of rectangles and squares, area of parallelograms and triangles, and area of trapezoids. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? Here I'm on grade 10 math. The chapter we are on right now is area and parameter. Let's just start with the lesson that is parameter. So what is the parameter of a closed shape? The parameter is the sum of all the side lengths of a shape, right? Basically, we have to calculate the covered area. So for this, you have to add all the side lengths. So here you are given with a triangle. Triangle has three-sided sides. So let's just add that would be 17 plus 17 plus 20. So the correct option is 54. That means the perimeter of the rectangle triangle is 54. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. What is the parameter of this parallelogram? So for the parameter, you have to add all the side lengths, right? So parallelogram has opposite sides equal in measurement. So the parameter of this parallelogram is 19 plus 19 plus 1 plus 1. So the correct option is 40 millimeters. The correct option is the correct option is 40. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the parameter? Which is the correct option? Just add all the side lengths, right? Yes, the correct option is 53.4. The correct option is option number 2 is the correct option, that is 53.4 centimeter. What is the parameter of this rectangle? So which is the correct option? So let's just add all the side lengths, right? That is 34.7 plus 34.7, 32.2 plus 32.2. The correct option is 133.8. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, the next one is, what is the area of the square? Which is the correct option? Sorry, parameter of the square. Yes, 96 centimeter it is. You have to, square has all four sides equal in length, right? One of them is 24, so you have to do 4 times 24, right? Or either you can add all the four side lengths, right? Because square has all four sides equal in measurement. So the correct option is 96 centimeter. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the parameter? Let me just add all the side lengths, right? 23.9 plus 23.9 plus 23.9 plus 26.7. So the correct option is option number 1 is the correct option, right? That is 98.4 is the correct option. Got it? So which is the correct option? The correct option is 35 kilometer. Option number 2 is the correct option. Sixty-eight centimeter is the correct option. That is a square. Square has all four sides equal in measurement. Either you can do 4 times 17, right? is 60 inches. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is the next lesson is area of rectangles and squares. Now we're going to calculate the area of the shapes. What is the area of the square? So you have to do 4 times 5, right? Because square has all four sides equal in length. So you have to do 4 times 5. The correct option is 5 times 5, right? Side times side it is. 5 times 5 is 25. The correct option is 25. Let's just start with the test questions. What is the area? You are given the rectangle, right? The area of rectangle is length time width. You have to do 9 times 7. 9 times 7 is 63. So the correct option is 63 square meters. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? The correct option is 63 square meter. What is the area of the square? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 8 times 8 is 64. So the correct option is 64. What is the area of the square? Which is the correct option? That is 10 times 10 is 100. The correct option is 100 square yards. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the area? Which is the correct option? Yes, 16. It is the correct option is 16. What is the area of the square? 16. It is the correct option is 16. What is the area? Which is the correct option? 80 square meter is the correct option, right? What is the area? Which is the correct option? You have to do length time width. So 6 times 3 is, yes, 18 square feet is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct one. What is the area of the square? Area of the square is side times side. And yes, the correct option is 81 square feet is the correct option. What is the area? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 20 square miles. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the area of the square? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 36 square yards. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next one is area of parallelograms and triangles. Let's just start with the next lesson. What is the area? You are given a triangle. You have to find the area of the triangle. So how do we find the area of the triangle? Is half times base times height, right? So here is the base. Base is 3 meters. The height is 6 meters, right? So area equals half times base times height. So you have to do half times 3 times 6. That would be 9. The correct option is 9. Let's just start with the test questions, right? What is the area of the shaded region? You have to calculate the area of the triangle. So that would be half times base times height, right? The base is 7, the height is 7.1. So that is 14.1 divided by 2. So the correct option is, sorry, 7 times 7 is 49. So here you have 49.1 divided by 2, right? 49.7 divided by 2. So the correct option is, that is 24.85. The correct option is 24.85. So 24.85 is the correct option. What is the area? Yes, length time width it is. So the correct option is 8 square miles. Option number. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 8 square miles. What is the area of the shaded region? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 55 square kilometer. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the area? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the area? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 170. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the area which is the correct option? The correct option is the area of the triangle is half times base times height, right? So the correct option is yes, 3 square miles is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is area of trapezoids. Let's just start with the next lesson. What is the area? You are given a trapezoid, you have to calculate the area. So this is the base 1 and this is the base 2 and you are given the height. So the area of the trapezoid is half times height and you have to add both the bases, right? So the bases are 6 plus 3, 6 plus 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 times 6 is 30 and 30 divided by 2 is 15. So the correct option is 15. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, what is the area? You are given the trapezoid, you have to calculate the area. So how do we calculate? The trapezoid have two bases, right? You have to do half times height and you have to add the bases. So 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 times 10 is 120. 120 divided by 2 is 60. So the correct option is 60 square centimeter. Got it? The correct option is 60. What is the area? So which is the correct option? The correct option is 45 square centimeter. It is option number 1 is the correct option. What is the area which is the correct option? The correct option is 4 square centimeter. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the area which is the correct option? 6 times 2 is 12. The correct option is 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 64. 8 times 8 is 64. 32 it is. The correct option is 32. What is the area which is the correct option? The correct option is 40 it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 10 math. The chapter we were working on is area and parameter. The lessons we have covered today are parameter, area of rectangle and squares, area of parallelograms and triangles, and area of trapezoids. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9, or either you can join me interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So if you have any questions related to the lesson, if you have any.